Hi students, textbook page number 55. Now try these problems. See this one. Write 3 polynomials that have 2 zeros each. And these 4 problems, see here. So first one, write 3 polynomials that have 2 zeros. Means for example, y equal to x square minus x minus 2. This having 2 zeros. Having 2 zeros. So what are 2 zeros? 2 comma 0 and minus 1 comma 0. That is one of the example. So another one, y equal to 3 minus 2x minus x square. This also having 2 zeros. Having 2 zeros means having 2 solutions, 1 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0. Next, y equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. This also having 2 zeros. Having 2 zeros. So what are that? Minus 1, 0 and 4 comma 0. These are 3 examples of polynomials having 2 zeros. And next, second question. Second one. So write one polynomial that has 1 zero. So 1 zero having polynomial. Write quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Y equal to, quadratic means second degree polynomial, x square minus 6x plus 9. This has only 1 zero. So what is that? 3 comma 0. This is has only 1 zero. Next, third one. How will you verify if it has only 1 zero? So how we can find only 1 zero? So the graph of given quadratic polynomial, touches x-axis at exactly 1 point. At exactly 1 point, then we can find. Then here how you can find means I can find it has only 1 zero. Next, this fourth one, write 3 polynomials that have no zeros for x that are real numbers. See here answer. So the quadratic polynomials. Quadratic means second degree polynomials. Y equal to 2x square minus 4x plus 5. So another quadratic polynomial, y equal to minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1. So another one, y equal to x square minus 2x plus 4. So like that, if any quadratic polynomial have in that x have no zeros. Next one, try this. Find the zeros of cubic polynomials minus x cube. Second one, x square minus x cube. Third one, x cube minus 5x square plus 6x without drawing the graph of the polynomial. So without drawing graph, find the zeros of cubic polynomials. First, given polynomial given polynomial y equal to minus x cube. So f of x equal to, first one take f of x equal to minus x cube. F of 0 equal to, so otherwise f of x equal to take, f of x equal to 0 means in that, so x cube equal to 0 minus x cube or first plus x cube. So that implies x equal to cube root 0, totally we get 0. So therefore 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the polynomial f of x is only 1. So what is that only 1? That is 0. Next, second one. So what is given polynomial? X square minus x cube. Second one, x square minus x cube. Y equal to x square minus x cube. So that is f of x, right? F of x equal to x square minus x cube. For that, f of x equal to 0. That means total equation x square minus x cube equal to 0. X square take common, x minus, here x square means 1 minus x. Here 1 minus x. X square common is there. X square common means 1 minus x equal to 0. So that implies x square equal to total, send that side. So multiply is there by divide. 0 by 1 minus x, we get 0. X square equal to 0. X equal to 0. So this also, therefore 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the polynomial f of x equal to 0. So third one, given that x cube minus 5x square plus 6x, f of x, right? F of x equal to x cube minus 5x square plus 6x. So this is cubic polynomial. So in that cubic polynomial, take x common here, x square minus 5x plus 6. So in that, again here factors find x, here 6x square, first term last term product 6x square, middle minus 5x. So 2 3's, x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Here observe minus 2 minus 3 we get minus 5. So again x take common as it is. In these two terms take any one common. What is there common? X. Here minus 3x plus 6 means what common? 3. Here x take common, x minus 2. Second one minus 3 take common, x. Here minus into minus we get plus. Here plus is there, minus, right? Minus into minus again plus, 3 2's. Here common bracket x minus 2. X into x minus 2, one of the common factor. Next another one x minus 3. So finally here x minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to 2. Here x minus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 3. So what are factors? And here x equal to 0. Another one. X equal to 0. These three factors. So therefore the zeros of the polynomial f of x equal to, so what we get? 0 2 3, 0 2 and 3. See this example. Find the number of zeros of the given polynomials and also find their values. Here p of x equal to 2x plus 1. Here first one, p of x equal to 2x plus 1. This is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial having only 1 0. So 1 0. Having 1 0 means p of x equal to 0. The total equation 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 by 2. Here 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 1. x equal to minus 1 by 2. This is x value. The 0 of given polynomial, first one minus 1 by 2. Next second one, this is y square minus 1. Y square minus 1. This is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, second degree. Quadratic polynomial having two zeros. It has two zeros. Find two zeros. What are two zeros? First take y equal to 0. Q of y equal to 0. Means total equation y square minus 1 equal to 0. This y square minus 1 square, right? A square minus b square form. A plus b into a minus b. Y plus 1 into y minus 1 equal to 0. Here y plus 1 equal to 0. Y equal to minus 1. Here y minus 1 equal to 0. Y equal to 1. Means y equal to 1 and minus 1. These two zeros of the polynomial. Next, third one. R of z equal to z cube. Z cube means third degree polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial having three zeros. I hope you understand, children, here. First degree polynomial, linear polynomial means having only one zero. Quadratic polynomial having second degree polynomial having two zeros. Third degree polynomial, cubic polynomial having three zeros. Means R of z equal to 0, z cube equal to 0. So whatever it is having z equal to 0, 0 of the polynomial is totally 0. Only single term z cube is cubic polynomial.